Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel in case you're new here. So guys, I remember I promised you guys I'm gonna give you guys an apartment tour. So guys, let's get down to the video. Hey, where I am is so hot, but let's get straight to the video. So hey guys, so this is the main door. This is the door that we're using to enter the house. Yeah, and right from the door we have the kitchen and you have the laundry area. So I think let's start with the laundry area. So yeah, this is basically the laundry area. We have the machine there and nothing much, there's nothing important here, just shoes and the washing machine. And then we have the kitchen on this side. This video is going just to be very brief. We have the fridge over there and we have very nice cabinet, very nice, though I'm not sure if I'm feeling the color, but anyways it's nice. Yeah, we have even upper cabinets, down cabinets. We have the oven there, we have the stove over there, we have the microwave, the electric jug and all this stuff. We have so many things over here. That's the sink, and I've realized my husband does not have a dish rack, so I think next time when I come I'm gonna get him one, or even because I'm planning to go to the supermarket, maybe I can get one from there. And also have like more cabinets down there. So guys, basically this is the kitchen and the space is amazing, so good. So just from the kitchen, here I am, just from the kitchen, that's the living area. So guys, on this table we have a console over there. Yeah, that's me. We have a console over here, which I've realized the console matches the stand. It also matches the table. I'm gonna show you guys, and it also matches the mirror over here. So we have that mirror there, and on this side we have the dining area. The dining is so nice. By the way, guys, I think the only place you can get such a dining table is in China Square, because I think I saw something like this there. Wow, it looks so good. I don't know, so nice. And we also have a table there which looks like the console, where we have the water dispenser. This house does not have a carpet. Yeah, so on this area, this is the living area. Let me show you guys well. This is the living area. So yeah, let's start from here. We have the stand over here, which looks like the console that I've shown you. We have the TV and all that. We also have chairs. That one is like a puff chair, which is so nice, and the color is amazing. And then we have other white couches, which look so nice. And then we have this table that still looks like the console, like the stand and all that. Just look at that. Look at the window. Like, who designed this house? The interior is so amazing. Look at the window. The window is so good. By the way, it just gave me an idea. When I go back home, I will like get very large curtains, because even when you close this curtain, when I close it down like this, we still have this part remaining over here. I don't know if it's me that have learned this now. So it makes everything look so good, and the curtains look so good. And these curtains, I've also seen them in China Square. So China Square has a lot of unique things, by the way, guys. The shears are amazing. So that's the window. Let me show you guys the view from the sitting area. That's our view. Yeah, so I think that's it for the living area. I think on this side you're seeing basically everything so well. So yeah, I've not shown you guys the chandeliers. Those are the chandeliers. You have one in the living area and you have another one in the dining area. So without further ado, let's get to other rooms. And on this side we have the bathroom, which I'm going to show you guys. It's a little bit messy, but it's fine. Um, that's the toilet. That's the bathing area. Look at this, guys. It's so good. So nice. We have the mirror over there. Hey, it's me. And these are our dirty shoes that I want to clean up. So yeah, we have so many, a lot of storage over here. The place looks so, look at the window. So nice. So I'm gonna show you one bedroom. We have a second bedroom over there and the third one. So I'm gonna show you the first one. Okay, this is the bedroom, guys. This is basically from the door. Let me show you. So that is how it looks from the door. We have the same curtains, same chairs as the living area, and you also have a bed. It's not an in-suite room because we have a bathroom over there. So yeah, that's how it looks. Very nice bed, very bouncy. The bed is so bouncy. We have so many mirrors in this house. This is me again on that mirror. So guys, we have this what do you call this? I don't know what to call it. And yeah, that's, and we have also a wardrobe, a lot of storage. These are our items. So I think I am done with the house tour.